I'm coming back with some cool updates for the Inbulk Ads app. I've just launched design tokens. Now you can create your own color styles, group them for different objects like text, shapes or backgrounds, organize them in any order, and even export them as JSON. Let me quickly show you how to create new tokens. When you open the app, you will notice two new tabs on the right side panel: Settings and Styles. Under Settings, you will manage configurations for your canvas elements. You will see that elements with a fill or stroke color now have a new icon for styles, which will be active once we create some. Switching to the Styles tab, you'll find two sections. The first is your styles, where all your created styles are displayed, and you can rearrange them as you like. Below that, you can create or edit your styles. Just pick a color from the color picker, name it, and decide whether it's visible for text, shapes, or both. This keeps your workspace tidy and helps you to find the right colors quickly. I will add a few colors like brand 1, black, white, and more. You can drag and drop these colors to arrange them to your preference. Back on the canvas, select an element like a circle, and you will see how easy it is to apply these new color styles to both shapes and text. Now I will connect our design to live data from Google Sheets. Just paste the URL of your sheet and done. All banners are generated. What's more, you can update any style by clicking the edit icon. Change the color, or rename it, and see the changes immediately on your canvas. This keeps your design process smooth and organized. Plus, you can export your styles as JSON to maintain design consistency across projects. Let's look at some other cool updates. You can now choose your canvas size from popular presets like Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, or Google banners. I have also added opacity options for your objects, giving you more creative control. The improved layer panel lets you hide or lock layers, ensuring you will never lose your content. And don't forget to check out the new canvas shortcuts to speed up your workflow. I hope you enjoyed these updates. Stay tuned for more technical videos, including one of how I design color variables for Canvas in HTML. More exciting updates are on the way.